What if I told you you could have creamy, silken, delicious, and decadent fettuccine Alfredo, and in 5 minutes? Well, let's get started. Welcome in, Taylor Kitchen family. We are about to make the easiest, the most delicious fettuccine Alfredo you've ever seen in your whole life. It takes about 5 minutes, and it is so delectable. The sauce is creamy. I'm not even like cooking it on the stove. I'm going to cook the pasta, and the sauce I'm gonna make right here in my oversized Italian pasta dish. You can do it in any old dish you want. But the cream I have heated up in the microwave. You can do it in a skillet if you don't have a microwave or you don't want to use your microwave, totally fine. But I have probably 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Yes, fettuccine Alfredo needs that, especially for this delicious decadent version. And then I'm going to crack into this just an egg yolk. And I'm gonna separate the white's gonna go in here that I will use for another purpose. Whoop-a-doo-doo. And then, very quickly, I'm gonna drop this yolk and I'm going to start mixing it right away because I don't want it to like scramble in the cream because the cream is pretty warm. And it's not really gonna cook it because that hot pasta is gonna cook it. Okay, all right, cream and eggs, step one. Okay, my water just came to a boil. I'm gonna drop my pasta. This is fresh fettuccine. You can make your own, you can buy it fresh at your grocery store. That's gonna take 60 seconds. See how quick this is? Then I have some Parmigiano Reggiano. You can use Asiago if you prefer, straight up Parm. And I'm just gonna grate. The cheese is really up to you. I'm gonna grate some in here, and then I'm gonna save a little bit. I'm gonna grate some more over the top when we're plating this, but mix in the cheese, and then the heat of the pasta is gonna melt it. Oh boy. Let's give it another little mix about. And I am gonna add some pepper. I've heavily salted the water, so the pasta is also gonna be very salty. Put your cheese in a parchment paper like this and keep it in your fridge. It'll keep for a really, really, really long time. Okay. I think we're done with this. Now I'm gonna drop that hot pasta, whoa, into the sauce with a little bit of the pasta water. Now the pasta water has really nice starch in it that's going to actually help thicken the sauce and not dilute it. And if your sauce gets too thick and clunky, just add a little bit more of this pasta water. All right, wow. Okay. And as you can see, the heat of this pasta is starting to thicken the sauce as it cooks that egg. Oh my goodness. My granddaughters love fettuccine Alfredo. If they were here right now, they would be drooling over this. Just want to chop up a little bit of parsley. It's nothing like fresh greens over this pure creamy decadence. All right. A little bit of that goes in. Guys, could it get any better than this? I think so, because I have some crispy breadcrumbs as well. All right, let's plate some of this up. Alrighty, I think to do the Italian twirl, you need to go like so, and then kind of use a spoon to assist. Oh, I'm losing it. Spoon to assist. Twist and twirl. Okay. Man, oh man, oh. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, and a little bit more parsley and a little bit more breadcrumb. Wow. Have you ever seen a more decadent, delicious plate of pasta than this creamy fettuccine Alfredo that came together in literally 5 minutes? Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. It is spectacular. So creamy. so fresh. And then just the topping of the breadcrumb and the fresh herbs, phenomenal. If you didn't think you could make fettuccine Alfredo, and you didn't think you could make it in 5 minutes, check out this recipe on tkfoodie.com. You're gonna love it.